Hey guys, what's up? The Galaxy S21 Fan Edition variant meant for the international market got benchmarked numerous times over the past couple of months. The device was spotted online at Geekbench with 6 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of RAM as well as Snapdragon 888 chipset. But now the S21 FE variant that is planned to go on sale in the US market has also made an appearance in the Geekbench database, and it doesn't really tell us anything we didn't know already about the device, but it is a confirmation that the phone is headed for the US with similar specs as the international variant. The device that was spotted at Geekbench today carries model number SMG99OU and features a Lahaina motherboard and an ARM V8 chipset featuring a total of 8 cores. These clues indicate that the S21 FE model destined for the US is also powered by the same chipset as the full-fledged Galaxy S21 series, that is the Snapdragon 888. The CPU cores are arranged in 3 clusters. The first cluster has a single high-performance core clocked at 2.84 GHz, whereas the second cluster has 3 CPU cores operating at up to 2.42 GHz, and the third cluster consisting of 4 CPU cores tuned for efficiency particularly clocked at 1.8 GHz. The benchmarked Fan Edition model for the US has 6 gigs of RAM, but it is almost a guarantee that Samsung USA will offer it with 8 gigs of RAM as well. The device, as expected, runs on Android 11 and it is likely to ship with an almost complete version of One UI 3.1. The phone has also visited other certification sites like China's 3C certification and TÜV Rheinland certification website, which confirm that the device will support 25-watt fast charging as well as pack a 4500 mAh battery. Now, if you want to know more about how fast the charging could be, then you can surely check out my channel. As far as other details are concerned, we don't have something very reliable, but it is likely to sport a 6.4-inch flat AMOLED display with a hole punch cutout on the top center area of the screen. The device could also come with 120Hz refresh rate support, and leaked design renders suggest that the phone will have a triple camera setup on the back. The camera bump is integrated and protrudes directly from the rear panel, and it could feature a 12MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens and an 8MP telephoto lens. As for the phone's eventual debut, rumors are somewhat conflicting. While some reports claim that Samsung was forced to delay the launch of S21 FE until September or even later, whereas some other reports blame the global semiconductor shortage for this delay, though Samsung later refuted these claims without confirming the launch timeline. A recent report also claimed that the device is likely to launch in South Korea between 700,000 to 800,000 yen, which in comparison to the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is cheaper, given that the latter launched for somewhere around 900,000 yen. But that being said, please comment your expectations from the Fan Edition, and if you like this video, then please share it with your friends who are waiting for this smartphone in the United States, while also consider subscribing my channel if you like my content. Thanks for watching.